Hi guys, so today is September 21st, 2021. I thought I definitely need to document this because this has been a really big part of our lives lately. Joshua and I officially put an offer in on a house yesterday, September 20th, which is our anniversary. It was our 7-year anniversary yesterday, so it was like the best anniversary gift. We don't know for sure or not if we're getting this particular house, but I'm really excited to find out. Joshua's in work right now, but I think he's like in a meeting or something, but our realtor is in talks with us right now, and we're just kind of going over some negotiations and things like that. So I have kept telling Joshua, like, I just feel like on our anniversary or like right after our anniversary something's gonna happen, because we've been waiting for what feels like a really long time. And then yesterday we put in an offer. Whether or not it was our anniversary yesterday, like, we would have put in an offer yesterday, so it was just crazy that it ended up being on our anniversary. So I have been so jittery and nervous the past 24 hours, so yeah, we'll see what ends up happening. We officially signed all the paperwork. It's official. The homeowners and us have signed, and we are getting this house, and the doggies are gonna love it. Our parents know.
Yep.
But we have not told any of my siblings.
No.
And who's gonna be the most excited is my sister-in-law, because we are going to be very, very close to her house, and this is a dream come true. So I don't think she thought that we would do this. So
no.
She knows that we looked at this house, but I didn't say anything about making an offer or anything like that. So I'm going to text her a screenshot like of the Zillow listing, and
that says pending now.
Yeah. Oh, I'm nervous. I don't know why. Yeah, what am I saying? Well,
guess somebody bought it.
Guess somebody liked this place. I don't want her to know that I bought it.
There must have been a lot of interest on this house. Say that. Then you could put like a
shrug.
Yeah. A good old shrug.
Where's the shrug emoji?
I think you passed it.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Let's see what she says back. She has her red receipts on so we can see. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's check her Instagram. She posted this 6 minutes ago, so.
Oh,
she read it. She read it,
everyone.
Oh my gosh.
Well, there must have been a lot of interest in this.
She said no.
Call her. Call her. Now
no,
call her.
Wait. I want to see if she says anything else. Oh my gosh, my heart's pounding.
Just call her.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Are you sad?
Yeah. Are you?
Yes. So now what? Now we gotta start over?
I guess.
Well, yeah, for some reason I thought only a couple people had looked at
I know. Okay, I have to tell you.
it. What?
It was us!
We bought
Are you
it.
serious?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was wondering at first, and I was like, well, she's still not saying anything. Oh my gosh.
Yep.
I can't believe it.
We did it.
Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So wait, when do you close?
October 26th.
We've done it.
It's official!
We just had our closing. We had to wait for the sellers to close as well, but we've done it. We've got the Jeep packed. We actually brought a U-Haul today on our closing day. We're not having our official moving day for a couple of days.
Yep.
But today, as of 2:58, we are homeowners.
We bought a house.
And we haven't even gone back in since our initial viewing.
Yep. So we're headed there now.
Woohoo!
We're gonna go.
Joshua and I got a little excited. We were literally just gonna bring a U-Haul with us just to bring like a couple of things because we actually have painters coming to paint the house, so we didn't want to bring a bunch of things into the house yet. But we got a little carried away last night with the U-Haul and we packed
A 26
so much
footer.
stuff. We're crazy. But also we moved 2 hours away from where we lived previously here in Michigan. We're more on like the west side of Michigan, so we're just really excited about our house. It's really close to like Michigan, like we could literally walk there. And yeah, we're just
It's a
so
whole
pumped.
new life.
Yes. So, okay, you gotta get in the U-Haul.
We gotta go drive over there.
And we gotta drive to our house.
Here we go.
Okay, we just pulled up. Well, I just pulled up. I'm waiting for Joshua. He has the huge U-Haul and he took like a different way than me to get here, so he's not here yet. And I don't want to get out of the car because I want to do like our first look, even at the yard and everything together. Oh, here he is. He's coming. We did it. We did it.
Hi, buddy.
We inherited some koi fish.
There's a lot of
A lot of koi fish. Oh my goodness.
Look at that one's my favorite. Oh, look at that one's yours.
I don't know anything about koi fish.
Whoa, look at the big ones.
I'm worried that dude is going to attack those.
I think he'll stand here and just look at them. Especially if we tell him no.
Yeah, we'll see.
Fish food? So you're gonna
Love
feed
fish food. Feeding our koi for the first time. Although we didn't even look to see how much they should get. Does it say?
Feed 2 to 3 times daily, only as much as your fish can consume within several minutes. So let's
Maybe
back
they
away
were-
so they can go up and maybe they're scared of us.
Okay. Let's
Oh
go
yeah,
in.
look at they're all eating.
Aww. Okay, let's go in.
Alright, here we go.
Ah!
Here we go.
Oh my gosh. Babe, look at this yard.
Oh,
The boys are gonna freak out. How are you feeling?
we did it.
I want to cry. I'm not kidding. I
We
wanna
did it.
cry. Sorry, my arm's short.
Yeah, I'll get it. This is our front door. It will change, but this is our front door. I'm gonna show them the yard.
No, I was gonna do that
Oh.
in the tour video.
Oh, okay.
They have to
Well,
wait for the tour.
alright, we're gonna go inside.
Okay, this was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. The next video coming is going to be our empty house tour. Yay! Yay! Ready? Let's go. Oh my God.